Okay, I just assembled the front panel. I didn't do any measurements yet, I just connected everything. So let's start to do, wow, yeah, I forget to install the damper. Really, I would. Let me install it and I will return back to you. Okay, I just installed a damper, so now everything works smooth. And we can start measurements. So let's start from the wow and flutter cassette. Check the speed, wow and flutter. First of all, we need to calibrate levels. Let's see. Source here on the direct. Let's do zeros. So balance in the middle. So the zero shows me -7 here. Okay. There's difference between two channels. And we'll make those even. Okay. Alright, direct as where like left right doesn't work, so it just excluded. Let's connect it to the other input. So it has like 3 inputs, 2 direct drives and 1 regular line in. Okay, now switching to the line. Now balance works, so see. Okay, for some reason it has a little different. Okay, I believe like that. So we can make it's even. No, it's even left right, so it shows 1 to 0. You see 0 here, and it's -8 here. But I believe it's 0 VU. So from I learned this deck, so +4. Yeah, +4 is -5. Here it shows 3, and then just a little bit and then do 4, and it's -5 here. Okay, -4 here, +4 here. Okay, it's factory settings. Now let's do wow and flutter, advanced mode, 3150, and start playing. It's automatically switched to the tape. Okay. Its frequency is 3156, and wow and flutter. Wow, 0.024, 0.22. It's even better than I had on Akai. Akai had like 0.28. 0.028, 30, like, and this one even better. What a perfect deck it is. You see, we just like did a great job fully replacing an all-in tape transport, and with this nice head, nice pinch rollers, everything is clean. It's 0.022. Wow. It's the first deck for last year I've seen which can do this. Good. let's do check zero levels, like to make sure what zero levels it should show. So it's at 250 nanoweber. Yeah, see, it shows plus 3 decibel. And let's go here to the level. It shows minus 5 here. Okay, good to know. So it's I really can do like 0 here, but in this case this like level, let's remove Dolby, this level would not be proper. You see, it's for normal tape it has plus 6 as the maximum level on the indicator for the norm tape here. It actually should be plus 4, not plus 3, but 1 decibel, it's fine. I would not touch it for now, unless I will find something else with this deck. Now let's do frequency response test. Let's get our DR2 levels from the factory set deck. And let's start from the simple response. So this is calibration for level and bias. Okay, let's start 250. Yeah, so it should be minus 10. It shows up to minus 6. So definitely like 4 decibel difference with on the indicator setup. So 0, it's a 0 VU. Okay, let's do 400. You see, level is the same. Let's see on the spectrum. You see it's 400 Hz. And it shows same level, remember? Okay, let's do next frequency. And see how it will hold. Oh, sorry, I like to check and remember the level. Let's get back to 400. Okay, it's 400 and the level is, wow, for some reason it shows quite low level. It's norm tape, no Dolby. What's the level? So 0 was here, minus 10, yeah, minus 11 decibel, so it's okay level. Okay, I can switch here to, so it will be plus 4. 400 Hz will be plus 4 now, as I switch to minus 20. And it's minus 11 on the output, and it's minus 8, minus 10 here. Okay, I believe frequency just changed, so it should be 1000. Yes, you see it's 1000 now. And it's basically the same. Let's rotate. See if this deck can keep up with Nakamichi decks. I believe it can. Like my previous deck, I measured it. It was pretty nice in this response. See, it still shows properly, like 1 decibel less than before. Frequency is 3 kHz in range. Okay, so it's 3 kilohertz. Let's do further. So I believe on this deck I can now like record 3 kilohertz tapes like to measure wow and flutter 0.022. It's really impressive. Okay, it's 8 kilohertz now, as you see, and level still here, keep it up. Okay, still shows minus 10 here. Okay, it's minus 12 now here. It's okay. It's minus 10, so it's going up and down. So tape probably not very stable, and the frequency is 12 kilohertz. Here, 12 kilohertz. Okay. Or we didn't check the phase. Probably the phase is off. That's why it's going up and down. Let's do check phase. Sure, we can check on this frequency. So here on the Sajus, yeah, you see the phase is off. That's why it has a worse than frequency response. Let's adjust it. I'm afraid I would need like to remove the door. There is no way to remove cover to adjust it, so I will have to disassemble it back to adjust azimuth. Okay, we have what we have. See you in the next part.